Let's start with a common scenario. Imagine we're seeing a high number of deferrals to a major provider like Gmail, and our queues are backing up. Walk me through how you diagnose and address this using postfix. Let's start with a high-level scenario. Imagine we want to make our simple mail transfer protocol infrastructure more resilient by serving it from two different data centers. Walk me through how you would use Border Gateway Protocol and Anycast to achieve this, and how you'd handle a service failure in one of the locations.